Boringtons. I want to do adverty designy thing.
Please, look into the Pongo cam.
Am I on TV? Hello, Nova Lights.
Nova, it's not TV.
Isn't it? Then why am I here?
We just need you to answer a few...
That lens is exactly the glass I want for my perfume bottle. Can I buy it?
No.
Oh, you mean yes. Bored now. Thanks for making the smelly. Laterinos.
Right, that's enough, Sid. There's a crossword here with my name on it, which is a remarkable coincidence.
We should dance with our whole selves. This song is too good.
If you want to dance, maybe dance that way, huh?
Nova, come back. If you don't do this interview, you'll have no perfume.
If I don't make an advert, no one will buy the perfume. Duh.
There's no point making an advert for an empty bottle. You'll get complaints.
I've asked you to fill it with smelly. You're always making me do stuff. Watch this video. Give me a top knot.
That was supposed to be a fun day for us. Nova, you're impossible. Managing you is impossible.
What? Being me is impossible. The next person we meet could do your job. Sid, you'll be my new manager. The dream team.
Fine.
Fine.
Well, since everyone's being so fine about it.
Come on, Sid.
Where are we going?
This way.
She's always too busy for sister time. Make my perfume. Well, no, Nova is not the only one with a life. Who needs a top knot anyway?
Your worry bubble is filling. Please continue to tell your troubles to Worry Bubble.
I'm fine. I plan to relax big time. Worry Bubble? How exactly does one relax? Worry Bubble, this is not relaxing. Things I am grateful for. The environment, this pen, this gratitude journal, this wall that separates me from Nova's continuous... I'm not having fun. If anything, I feel worse. This is not helping.
Worry Bubble suspects you feel worse, and this is not helping.
It's no use. I'm a job person. I need a job. Just not working for Nova. Working with my sister is no fun at all.
This is so much fun. McLaren's such a complainer. You haven't done any boring manager stuff, and everything's fine.
Where's my amazing advert? It should be on there right now.
We haven't filmed it yet, remember? We decided to do fun instead.
If you can go low, low, low. You know I was born so I could put on a show. If you're so ready, then you should prove it. Let's go. Get that confetti at the ready, get the bass so loud. You know I'm always stage ready, so bring on that crowd. Give me the spotlight, give me that spotlight. Give me the bass, you know you gotta give me the bass. Give me the spotlight, give me the spotlight. Move that space, move out my space, yeah. I'm a timeless diamond, you know I always shine. Turn it up, they all up off the sea. Everyone knows they're cheering just for me. Well, I'ma sing the chorus so everyone can see. Get that confetti at the ready, get the bass so loud. You know I'm always stage ready, so bring on that crowd. Give me the spotlight, give me that spotlight. Give me the bass, you know you gotta give me the bass. Give me the spotlight, give me the spotlight. Move that space, move out my space, yeah. I'm a timeless diamond, you know I always shine.
little.
They say sticks and stones may break my bones, but words could never hurt me. Didn't you know I'm unbreakable? You're sitting there like a wannabe, behind the keyboard, acting hard, trying to pretend that you're so large, but really you got nothing better to do. I really don't want to hear you talk at all. It's outrageous, irresponsible. Did your mama not teach you respect at all? Outrageous, it's terrible. No wonder your stunner does drink so small. You're jealous, understandable, but what you're saying is laughable. Yeah, I'm so in my bubble. Your opinion don't really matter at all. Home alone, typing your lies, wasting your time trying to hurt me. Lie on my phone, don't be surprised when I don't reply. I can see you trying to troll me. I feel sorry for you, cause it won't get through. I just ignore it. I know that you're trying to hurt me. I feel sorry for you, cause it's jealousy. I just ignore you. Going down, down, no messing around. You're going down, down, cause I wear the crown. Yeah, I can see you trying to troll me. I feel sorry for you, cause it won't get through. I just ignore it. Hey.
Am I getting smaller, or is that troll getting bigger?
I do not put my sister in danger because I can't fight my own internet battles.
Oh, it is getting bigger. That's bobbins.
Just ignore.
Stop it, I've got 9 more verses. Wait, that troll is getting bigger.
Spiggle's got nothing.
I'm not a lobster in a human costume. That's obvious, isn't it?
McLaren! Give that back! Sure. Oh, sorry. Thought you said throw it to the captain of the North.
No.
Ha ha ha, it's funny because that's exactly what you did to me before.
This is not the time. Give it back.
Now, I'm going to pass you Sid. Oh, no, I'm not.
You have to commit.
Got it. Come here, Sid.
Wholesome.
No! Stop!
You big sillies.
Hey! It shrunk! The troll!
No, it's growing, Sid. That's the whole point. No, it is getting smaller. No, it's growing again.
Now that we're all looking at it, now that we're all giving it attention.
It feeds on attention!
No, I don't. No, I don't.
It went after Nova because it wanted her attention, but that didn't work because Nova didn't care.
And you all said being massively self-centered was a bad thing.
So it went after me, and I did give it attention. I kept replying to it.
So... if we just ignore it...
It should shrink right down.
Okay, everyone, turn your backs. Ignore the troll.
Oh, look at me! Look at me!
Which is actually quite hard when it's a massive
Look at me!
troll and it's right there.
Look,
Look at me!
I ignore stuff all the time. It's easy. Just think about your best memory.
No! No!
Like the time I won 199 whammies in one night.
Like the time I saved Nova from the jungle. Backfish's veins back!
I'm gonna write something mean!
The time I fell asleep in the sofa shop all night long. So many footrests.
Stop it!
The 8,000-page spreadsheet I made? The self-sorting desk tidier I designed? No.
Stop it!
Wait.
Stop it!
Nova's entire career, because I organised it all brilliantly.
Thanks, sis.
Can anyone hear anything? It worked!
Yes, I knew it was a wrap.
Ain't the big man anymore, are you?
I've been a teensy-weensy bit me-occupied lately. I'm sorry.
You replaced me. Used our song in your advert.
I never taught you the top knot.
Yes! It's like all the sister things don't matter if you've got celebrity stuff to do.
But they do. I love that stuff. I just get distracted. Is that pong machine on?
Nova!
I know. I swear I will try and be more listening to you.
It can't be easy, the entire universe expecting so much from you all the time. And singing is hard.
So is managing. Look at the stinky mess I'm in without you. We're good at different things, but together we're the real dream team. The team of my dreams. especially when we're dancing.
You are my light, you hear my call. You make it right, catch me when I fall. And when we fight, we let it go. You make it right, you help me to grow. Don't need nobody else, 'cause you're more than capable. And no one knows our bond is unbreakable. It feels like home, my love's irreplaceable. Yeah, you never let me down. Can we float into the night? 'Cause I'm stronger, stronger by your side.
Are you crying?
It's just you and
Oh.
I. Together forever, we're sisters for life.
You haven't danced with me in ages. And besides, I don't remember the moves. So,
Dance with me. You're my manager, and managers do what megastars say.
it's actually the other way round.
Don't need nobody else, 'cause you're more than capable. And no one knows our bond is unbreakable. It feels like home, my love's irreplaceable. Yeah, you never let me down. Can we float into the night? 'Cause I'm stronger, stronger by your side. It's just you and I. Together.
Yes, it worked.
We're sisters for life. Float into the night. Stronger, stronger by your side. It's just you and I. Together forever, we're sisters for life. Watch us shine so bright. We're gonna light up the night sky, and the stars will rise. Together forever, we're sisters for life.
Family is the universe. Together, we are strong. Perfume's just a smelly smell. And
This is now our song.
we are together. By Nova.
Systems ready. Engine check. Fuel check.
An amazing co-pilot? Check. Back where he belongs. Just like
Family. 5 down. Whether arm in arm or far and wide, you'll always carry this group inside. It's family.
Yeah, I struggled with that one.